Hello everybody, welcome back to part 4 of this RMS Titanic tutorial. Today is going to be A-deck in the boat deck, A-deck, boat deck, masts, and funnels. So I did make a little mistake in part 3, which is here. So this was the original line here, so you're going to add about 6 more, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to it. So you're just going to add 6 to it, and then yeah, just incorporate that. This yellow block is actually just increase it by 1 basically. So it's gonna be 4, 3, 3, back 2, like that. Just to clear that up, I'm just gonna fill this all in, and then we can move on to the actual topic of the tutorial. I'm scared for ADEC. This is probably the news flash, guys. This is going to be the hardest part of the tutorial. So. Well, the hardest part, yeah, this is definitely the hardest part of the tutorial, because this is gonna confuse. I'm gonna lose like half of y'all by the time most of this, by the time like we're at the midsection over there. Pause. Anyway, so the first things first, we're gonna go over here, and we're just gonna incorporate all the staircases first. So let's put these here, by the way. So we're going to go over to the corners of the forecastle deck, and then we're going to go back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, cut out here, and then we're just going to incorporate our staircases, so, like that. And then, let's put some trapdoors on here. Personally, I go for the acacia kind. I go for the acacia, the acacia trapdoors, because they have like that nice little rim shape to them, and that beautiful orange color. I like orange, so. Alright, so, with that out of the way, yeah, looking pretty good. So we're only going to do this on one side, so we're going to go over to the center block here, of the well deck, and then we're going to go to the third blocks, 1, 2, 3, and then we go up, and then we just cut out where the staircase will be. Just going to put our trapdoors, and it's only on one side, so, yeah. We will get to the staircase on from B deck to A deck once we do A deck. So, what we're going to do is we're going to start from the center block here, and yeah, so we're just going to place a center block. We're just going to place the center block, and then we are going to do so I'm going to do the starboard side first, which is on the left side. So if you're facing the bow, if you're on the bow, this is the starboard side. If you're on the stern, this is also the starboard side. Yeah, so basically, if you're on the bow, just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the left. And we're just going to go a pale oak door beside it. Then we go 1, 2, 3 beside the door, and then 2 behind it. Well, 2 beside it. Well, going inward, going in this way, and then close that off. Right, close that off. So it should look something like this. And what we're gonna do is break this, and then we're just gonna put this here. Well, this is like off center, so this is not centered. So basically, just put trapdoors, put some birch trapdoors or whatever door you're using on these, and then they'll be your staircase things. Crap. Something's not right here. Because if you're gonna be able to walk on the deck, you're gonna have to. I'll figure it out. Actually, we'll fix this. So just put this back. We'll just move on. So we'll fix B deck. All right. So what we're gonna do behind this block here, we're gonna go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we're going to go 39 blocks. And then we're going to go 2. And then 18 blocks. And then 3, 3, and then 3, like this, in this shape. And then we're going to go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, outward like that. And then out again, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3, 1, 2, 3, so in 3. And then we go 17. And then we go 4, we're going to go out 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 8, and then 3, and then 6, and then 4, 4, no, out 4, and then in 4. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can go 8, and then, so in 8, like that. And then out 4, in 4, out, in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can go in 10, and then out 2, and then back 2, out 4, out 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a center block like that. So that is the starboard side of B deck, or A deck. So what we're going to do now is we're going to increase the height to 2 blocks tall. So it's just adding 1 block. If you're doing Olympic, I will explain the promenade sections. So I'll explain the promenade sections as we move on. But basically, this is basically, if you're going to do Olympic, this the promenade is not enclosed, unlike Titanic and Britannic. And I'll explain that once we actually get the promenades in. So just carry this on. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. I screwed up on this 3 times as I was building this. And then over here to this part, we are going to do we're going to increase this to 2 more high. So just go to the center end here, and then we're just going to increase this part here. Like that. Yeah. So this, so on this end, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that attaches to the officers' quarters over here. So it's gonna be 8 that attaches to the officers' quarters. and what this will be is the part where the compass platform is. So yeah, we're getting a nice enclosed ship here. So like that. Actually, hang on. Oh. Silly me. I'm not supposed to do this part yet. Because, we haven't done it yet. So, what we're gonna do is basically almost the exact same. It's just a bit different. So, again, from the center block, we go back, I think, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 10. So, here, I'll just count it. I'll just count it, and when I stop, that's the number. So, so we're gonna go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10. Then we get a payload door, like that. And then we go back 3, 1, 2, 3, in 2, 1, 2, and then connect it like that. That'll be a staircase. We'll fix B deck to incorporate the staircase. Let's just go ahead and get this filled in like that. And then it's a little bit of a complicated section, but so we're gonna go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So we're just gonna go 39. Just gonna fill this in as I go. So it's gonna be too high because the deck is gonna be on top. I'll explain that later. Alright. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So it's gonna go in 3. And then in 5, so back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's back 5. And then out 3. And then back 2. And then back 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then back 3 again. No, so okay. It's out. So it's out 2. Okay, so it's back 2, out 2, and then out 3, and then in 3, like that. And then in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then out 3 again, in 3, and then in 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then out 4 again, in 4, and then back, so in 3, and then what we're going to do is go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it's going to be 17. I do not have any notes for this. Because I don't have this done on the prototype, I just had to, I had to pick off an image off of Google and just eyeball it, so I don't have any reference for this, but I do have reference for the boat deck since I got that done. So what we're gonna do is now go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So out 4, and then back 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 8. It's 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. And we go in 3, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then out 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, out 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, in 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I count doubles of that, that's because I'm stacking on top. If you're watching the video casually, you would know. So, we're going to now do in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8, like that. Then we're going to go out 4 again, and then in 4, and then go inside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10. Then we go 2, out, and then we go back 2, and then out 4, in 3, and then in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we go out 4, not out, like out, not out that way, but so we're gonna go back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just connect to the center block, which is 3. So it's a little bit uneven, but that is the bow deck done. Oh, well, the A deck done. Finally. It's such a pain. But I think, hang on. Because since yeah. Okay, so from this point here, we're gonna go up 2, and then we're just gonna connect it to the port, starboard side. So on the port side, connect it to the starboard side. So it's on this block, here, and then we're just gonna bring this up. So again, this will be where the compass platform lies. And this is also the raised roof for the first class lounge. So yeah, this is weird. If you're gonna do interior, this is a wall back here. And you're gonna replace the floor with target blocks. So yeah, just replace the floor with target blocks. I will not do interior, so I just won't incorporate that. So, but I will just move this on just a second, like that. So this is what it should look like. Just a ship with weird blobs all around it. Alright, so it's hard to believe that these weird geometric shapes are on the Titanic. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go back to the center block on the bow, and we're gonna go out. So on this block, so we're gonna go on top of this center block, 1 wood, and we're gonna go 2 wood. So we're just gonna 2 forward, and then 1 white there. And then what we're gonna do is on top of what we did on B deck, just yeah, raise this area, because this is where the promenade is. I will do a separate part for the doors and windows. So the doors and portholes and all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, if you want to incorporate it, you can. I'm choosing not to. So yeah, this is probably gonna be the longest tutorial, longest part of the entire tutorial. So yeah, so when we get over here to the stern, which is gonna be here shortly, it's the same as this situation here. Do not connect them. These will be all railings. So we're gonna do the same thing here. Crap. Did I? Okay. Back in a second. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the stern. We're gonna do the same situation. So we're gonna place sorry about that. On top of that, just place 1 birch wood or whatever wood you're using. And then we're gonna go back 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth block will be the fifth block will be a white block. And we're gonna instead, yeah, we'll do yeah, we'll just do the front here. So for the front, from the front, we're going to do 2 rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go back 2. 1. If you're doing Olympic, these won't come out the way they do. These will actually be in. So if you're doing Olympic, keep these inside. But since you're doing Titanic, or Britannic rather, Titanic or Britannic, have them out, like that. So, just going to put this as a center block, and then 2 of the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep, and 2 of the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and then back to 1, like that. So this is what we got. And then we're just going to connect it. Actually, let's go to the stern. Let's go to the stern. So to the stern here. If you're doing Britannic, this will be a flat wall. So this will be a flat area here. So just connect. Just be a flat area. But on Olympic and Titanic, this was a lot different. So for Olympic and Titanic, just go. Let's put this as a center block. We're gonna go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then just connect it like that. So just go out like that. That is not right. It's 7. 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that. Yeah, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then back. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're just going to connect the sections and fill in the deck. So, whew, back in a second. Alright, time to get the enclosed part in. So I was thinking about long and hard as I was doing this. And then we're going to go over... Okay, so, let's start from the stern. Let's grab our pale oak fence, because this is going to be tricky. So we're going to go over to the stern, and on this block here, just place 1, there should be 27. So it's going to be a 2 block gap on each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, crap, 6, 7, 8, crap, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, crap, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That's still not enough. 26, 27, 28, 29. So it's going to be 29. 29. Or 30. Let's do 30. And then we'll just put 1 block as a barrier. So we're going to go over to the bow now. We're going to go over here. And then we're going to go 1, and then 2, and then 3. So it's gonna be 3, like that. I mean, yes, we can go 2. We can go 2, and then we're just going to do a wall. It's going to be a wall from about stern. So it's going to be where the enclosed area is, and yeah. So if you're doing Olympic, this will go all the way through. There'll be no wall. So yeah. So you can't really see anything now since 8X in the way. So I will go ahead and do this on the other side, and I will be right back. So yeah. Alright, so let's move on to fixing B deck a bit, so we can incorporate the staircases. So we're gonna move on to this. So we're gonna go back down to B deck, and then we're going to increase it by 3. So just 1, 2, 3, and then just on Olympic this will be a door. So and we can just put this here. Yeah, like that. And then the staircase can perfectly sit in yeah. So the staircase here would perfectly sit right about here, like that. So there's our staircase here. And then over here on, no, that's not right, because this is the deck here. So basically just, yeah. Basically, yeah. You get the point. You get the point I'm trying to make. So just, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So just break this, and just increase it by 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. So I don't know if I should end the part here, or I should just keep going. I said today's part will be A deck, boat deck, mast, and funnels. I'll just do it. Yeah, I'll do it. I'll suck it up and do it. I'm just gonna remove all this here because we don't need that no more. So for the officers' quarters, which will be right here, we are going to just basically stack it all the way up until the bridge wings, and there's a bulwark right over here that expands to incorporate the davits, the lifeboat davits. So over here we'll go 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. That will help. That'll help keep the collapsible lifeboat in rough seas. So what we're gonna do now is just do the same thing. I guess. Same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to this part here. Grab our glass blocks. Like that. We're going to place a block here, and a block. So we're going to place just 3 blocks, and then the rest will just be white in the center, as well as white on the top. And then we're going to get a bell. So there is proof that there was a bell there, because in the 1997 movie, it's clearly there. So that's just what I'm going off of for this part. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the bridge wings. We're gonna do the bridge wings. And then we're going to set one more block here. The deck is going to be here. So it's going to be sitting on top of that. So if you already placed the deck, if you have World Edit and stuff, if you place the deck already, this is where you place it. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this just real quick. Get you guys an idea of where I put it. So there's a wall there. So there's a wall here. And then we're going to just put 2 blocks here. And then 2 white blocks around it. So, crap. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a furnace. Weird. And then just going to put this here. Really just for the furnace, it's that gray color that we need. But, here we get stone bricks. Actually, let's put... So there's gonna be 5 windows in total, like that. And then, let's place windows on the side, right here. And then, so from here, we're gonna place, I think 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it'll just be a massive little square. So a little square here. And then, if you're let's break this because this is too thick, way too thick. That's what she said. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go 8 in total. So I'm just gonna break this part. Let's block here, window here, block here, window here, like that. And then what we're gonna do is just place in the center. So in here, we're just going to place a square-like structure like this, and this will be the wheelhouse. So just be like this. So about on the fourth block from the bridge, it'll be the wheelhouse. This will also be helpful if you're doing the wreck. So since the wreck is like the only part of the bridge still visible. So yeah, so this is what we have. And then we're just going to do on stone bricks for the Titanic. The Olympic had a white part, so yeah. Like that. So I'm doing stone brick because, yeah. Similar texture to wood. Crap. I'll do just one color change for the floor. It'll just be prismarine and this, whatever. So just this is not all accurate, but well, Christmas colors. But there will be a wall behind this. On the in the interior, there will be a wall behind that. Let's just go ahead and so just do the same thing on the other side. I'm kind of bored of doing this right now. I already did a tutorial this morning, which is part 3. So kind of bored of doing tutorials right now. Usually this is where I end the video, but no. At this point, I'm screwing up. I'm doing this until Actually, this will be brought. There will be stairs that will be brought up, and then just do this like that, and then over here will be. I think. I mean, if you could walk up it, yeah, like that. So what we're gonna do is from the bridge wings, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, like that. Do the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. Break this. Yeah, I have zero hopes for the ship, for this tutorial going viral, because I think I've given up a long time ago. Given up way long ago. So, well, I mean, I think none of my stuff go viral except like stuff people are interested in. So, I mean, there's that. What the heck? I'll just I mean, it's a quick fix, but you get the point. This is like going way off topic now. It's going way off topic now, so yay. I'm going off topic. Crap. Back in a second. Alright, so if you're doing Olympic, this will be like kind of a staircase thing, so if you're doing Olympic, just do this. Similar situation thing here. So yeah, for Olympic, do this, but I'm not doing Olympic. I'm doing Titanic, so therefore I'm doing this, and I will just put pale oak trapdoors for the little boundary, little borderline, like that. Same thing on the other side. It will actually move on to the main topic of the video, which is the bow deck and the mast and funnels. Let's get the mast. No. Let's just move on to the officer quarters since I literally just said that. All right. So from the corner here, we're gonna go out 4. No, out 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, out 3. Like that. And then we are gonna go out. Go out 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep. And we're gonna go out 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is on the port side. The port side here. So this is on the port side, so go out 16 and then out and then 3. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Yeah, 5. No. Hang on. Let me study my notes here. Is that 5 or 9? I think it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's right. And then we are gonna go back 2. No, we're gonna go back 1 and then just go the rest of the way here. And it should connect over to this part here. No. That's not right. Oh, this is right. Crap. I'm just gonna improvise. Let's go 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then go back 3, 1, 2, 3. And then just connect it. Just connect this all the way to where this starts. So it's 11. Actually, let's do 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17. So we're gonna go 17. Let's do 17. Yeah, because that makes a lot more sense. And okay. Back in a second. We're just gonna have to restart this. Okay, so keep these walls here. Like I said, this is gonna be the most confusing part of the tutorial, because I even lost myself. So I redid the notes. So we are going to go back 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm gonna count my twos. Crap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. And then we're gonna go out 2. And then we're gonna go 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12. And then we're gonna go back 2. Yeah, back 3. And we're just gonna go connect it. Back 2. Like I said, it's back 2. So just connect it like that. So like that. Make sure this is 3 high. So like this. Alright, like that. So this is what we have. Thankfully, the starboard side is a lot easier, because it's once this is flattened out, well, once this is out this way, it stays that way. So yeah. What we're gonna do is you go 18, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and out 2. Just connect it. And then on the ground is like that. So like this, like that, and we're just gonna stick it out first quarters. Done, I guess. Now fill this in with gray. Now fill the roof in with gray. Unless you're still that kind of person who thinks it was deck color. It's your choice, really. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this in gray. I'll be right back in a second. So yeah. All right. So once we have that, we're gonna move on to the funnels. So depends on what block you're gonna use. Personally, I'm gonna use yellow terracotta, and then also black wool for the tops. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to the center point of the wheelhouse. So where this wheelhouse is, right here. We're gonna make a, so from the block behind it, we're gonna do a 4 block gap. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just place the block. And then we're gonna go so it's just 1, and then we're gonna go 2, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3, and so 2, and then 1, like that. So that is our funnel. And then we should have a 20 block gap between the first and second funnel. Well, between all the funnels rather. So 23 block gap. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23. And go 2, 2, 3. It's a 19 block gap. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19. We're gonna go 1, then 2, then 3, and then 2, and then 1. So like this. So we have this shape here. So it's 19 block gap. That's not right because of what we're gonna do for this. So I just put this at the end of. I just put the second funnel at the end of the deck house. We'll figure out the we'll figure it out later. So yeah. So this is what we have. I'm very unsure anymore. This tutorial is like really confusing me. All right, for the funnel, for funnel number 1, we're gonna go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then in black 2, and then up 4, so like that. So we're gonna do the same thing on all sides, like that, and we'll make it look like it's leaning. Crap. So it should, well, with one part like this, it should look something like this. Yeah, looking very, very good. So I'm going to do this as quick as I can. Alright, so this is what it should look like compared to with the rest of the ship. So this is what it should look like. And yeah, it's gonna be weird with the rest of the build. So So what we're going to do is we're going to cut out just 3 blocks right here before filling it in, because we're going to make it look like it's leaning, like that. So it should look something like this. I mean, you can shape off the top of the 4th block as well. Move it down. Crap. Yeah, so. Alright, so just fill in the gap between the funnels, and you should get something that looks like just let me finish and I'll show you what it looks like. What it should look like. So this video is almost an hour long. What the crap? And there we go. There's a funnel done. I mean, you can increase the height of the black a bit, but me personally, I think it looks fine. So yeah, do the same for all. Do the same for the rest of the. Well, do the same for the second funnel because we haven't built that deck house yet. I'm gonna have to split this video into 2 parts, but we're gonna do the masts now. So what we're gonna do is we're going on to the forecastle deck, go to the center block, and we're gonna go to the second block and just place it like that. We're not gonna go 3 rows of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then finally, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that. And then, yeah, we're gonna get the crow's nest now. We're just going to go to a random area near the funnel and just bring it forward like this. Let's just do this. You can get a bell like that. Just put that there. And then if you want to, this is all yeah, kind of your choice. What we're gonna do is just gonna go 7 rows of 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean we can go 12 now. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the 1. Just put a bell there. Well, put a bell here. Because this is the cargo derrick. And it will help, of course, carry cargo. This looks completely weird. Anyway, we're gonna move on to the aft mast now, because so we're gonna go over to this deck here. Go to the second block, and of course break a hole first to connect it. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's obviously gonna do so break a hole here. And it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. So if you're gonna break it down, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So so if you're gonna break a hole in it, it's gonna be 12. If you're gonna break a so 12 minus 3 is 12. So it's gonna be 9 up. if you're gonna do it on the deck. So if you're just gonna do it on the deck, it's gonna be 9 and then 2 rows of 12. But if you're gonna do the if you're gonna do it like broken on the deck, it's gonna be 3 rows of 12. So it's gonna be it's 1 row of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, that out of the way. There's no cargo deck on this one, so. Finally, the flags. And then the video's over. Because I'm going to split this into 2 parts. So, I'm not going to do the United States flag because I hate the United States. So, on the aft mast, we're going to go to the 3rd block. So we're going to go 2. And then 2. And then, 1 block out like this. Either direction. We're going to go 1 block out like this. And 3. And then, just break this here. This will be the White Star Line flag. And we're just going to place a white block here. We could place mangrove trapdoors to put kind of integrate that red color and trap that star in like that. There we go. And then over here to the front mast, go to the 3rd block. We're gonna place a blue wool. Place some blue wool. 2. And then 2. So it's going 2 rows of 2 in blue. Let's place this here and there. 1 row white, and then over here 1 row of red for the French flag, because I choose to do the French flag rather than the American flag, because I hate America so much. I despise it. I think it's also more accurate, by the way. So anyway, that's the end of the Titanic tutorial. I hope you like this video, and I'll be back in part 4B. So yeah, bye for now.